Hi, hello there's Radhey. Welcome back to another new sessions. Today is the 14 days challenges read English practice with Radhey talks. Don't waste your time. So let's start today's sessions. Before start video, I just like to say two lines motivation. Thus motivation is very helpful to yourself. The motivation lines, the mind is everything, and what you think you becomes. The mind is everything what you think and you becomes. This means you are be continually, you believe your mind and you follow mind, you control mind not control you. Just like is very helpful to, and the mind is perfect. You the who think is created. First of all, you think is perfect, then your the behaviors is very perfect. This is very helpful too. Okay, don't delay times. Let's start today's sessions. I have the another book. The book name is a Mindset. The book name is Mindset. Okay, this book is very helpful to you creativity. Your thought is a very perfect loans. Don't waste your time. Let's start today's sessions. Okay, ready? The topic is why do people different. Okay, since the dawns of times, people have thought differently, act differently, and face differently and from each others. Act differently, face differently, and talking to differently each other. So many angles. You know of the thumbs is a same, but is a different creativity, different face. Okay. It was guaranteed to that someone would ask the questions of why people different, why some people are be smarter of more than morals, and whether there was something that made them permanently different. And export lines lined off a both sides. Some they claimed that there was a strong physical basis for this difference, making them unavoidable and undurables. Okay, through the great this aligned physically difference have they included the bombs of the skulls, size of the pace and the schools and the today of genes. Others point to be strong difference people's and background to experience trainings or ways to learning. It's very helpful. It may be surprise you to know that a big champions of this way and the Alfred Bittens is the inventor of the IQ test, and was not is a IQ test means the to summarize the children's unchangeable intelligence, means unchangeable intelligence. In fact, no Bittens, Binet, this names Binet, the Frenchman working in Paris in the earlier 20th century designs. This is a test of the different children when we are not be pointing from the Paris public schools, so that new education programs could be designs the grant of back to tracks without Daniels indicated visuals different children's intelligence. He believes that education and piracy could be bring a fundamental challenges intelligence, and there is a quite from once and the major books the Moran's idea about the children's is the which summarize his work with the hundreds of children's with the learning the different language. Okay, I have covered today's sessions. I think you are be also covers you daily practice. That's very helpful. You the mind setups you think about today. I am covers. That's the end of today. This is the mindset of every day. You are be target 40 days, 30 days, or be 100 days. Then challenges yourself and do something little bit is very helpful. Thanks for watching this classes. See you tomorrow. Radhe, Jai Jagannath. Okay, let's call it this. Bye bye.